Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Last year's OPPO Find X8 lineup earned a ton of love from users and reviewers alike. That praise didn't come out of nowhere. The sleek design, the super smooth ColorOS 15 experience, and especially the upgraded camera with live photos perfectly matched what young creators wanted. Now everyone is asking the same question: how has the brand new Find X9 series evolved? Today we are diving straight into the powerhouse of the family, the OPPO Find X9 Pro. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Find X9 Pro features a rounded rectangular camera module that feels great even when you hold the phone horizontally. There is a design hint from the earlier Find X5 here, almost like a legacy carried forward. OPPO has introduced an ultra-precise cold carving process that removes any harsh transition between the front and back panels, creating a natural, smooth surface. Inside the camera island, everything is tightly integrated. 4 lenses, laser autofocus, and a microphone all fit neatly together. Despite packing so many components, the phone still maintains perfect one-to-one weight balance, which makes it feel incredibly comfortable in the hand. This velvet titanium color is another standout choice. It may look metallic and cool from a distance, but once you touch it, the finish feels soft and warm like velvet. Thanks to micron-level processing, you get a design that shines with a metallic glow while still offering a cozy, skin-friendly feel. Up front, there's a 6.78-inch flat display with ultra-thin 1.5mm bezels. The edges are symmetrical and refined, giving the device a premium, stylish appearance. Now to the camera system. The main camera uses Sony's full-powered LYT-828 sensor. Working together with OPPO, they added an exposure counter for ultra-fast triple exposure shots, plus 4-axis OIS for rock-steady results. Specs are pushed to the max. The telephoto lens jumps to a massive 200 megapixels with the HP5 sensor, introducing the first ever AOA active optical calibration technology for higher resolution. With its wide f2.1 aperture, more light flows in, improving clarity day or night. OPPO's LUMO Super Pixel Engine works its magic by capturing 3 200 megapixel frames at once and processing every pixel and texture area independently before combining them. The result is sharpness and detail that really stand out. The single-shot color restoration lens from the Find X8 Ultra also makes a return here, boosting color accuracy to reach ultra-level performance. Daytime shots look true to life with a creamy natural background blur. Portraits shine with rosy skin tones full of vitality. Thanks to JDD technology powered by convolutional neural networks, every portrait looks cleaner, more refined, and full of personality. Night photography holds its own too. Colors stay accurate without drifting, even in tricky lighting. The 200 megapixel telephoto camera continues to deliver crisp detail, giving subjects depth like a DSLR, where the background fades smoothly into the distance for that high-end cinematic feel. This year, OPPO also brings 4K Ultra HD live photos to the Find X9 Pro. You get super detailed motion photos that look amazing, whether it's daytime or night. They are 4 times sharper than traditional live photos, making high-resolution images truly come alive. You can even share those 4K Ultra HD live photos straight to Xiaohongshu with ease. So that's a first look at what the OPPO Find X9 Pro has leveled up on. Plenty more to explore, but already it feels like OPPO pushed the series forward in all the right ways. Performance also takes a leap forward. With the upgraded Tidal engine paired to the Dimensity 9500 chip, you get exceptional power not only for gaming, but also for editing photos and running AI tasks. Playing Honor of Kings at max graphics and 120 frames for half an hour stays almost locked at full frame. Genshin Impact on the highest settings and 60 FPS remains stable as well, with crisp visuals throughout. A powerful phone needs a battery that can keep up. OPPO clearly knows that users expect 7,000 mAh and above now. Just like the smaller Find X9, which packs a huge 7,025 mAh battery, the Pro version goes even bigger with a 7,500 mAh Glacier Battery. OPPO's own 4th-gen silicon-carbon negative electrode tech gives the battery a longer lifespan, and combined with a custom algorithm, overall endurance jumps by 60%. That means longer usage day-to-day and a battery that stays healthier for years. ColorOS 15 earned major praise last year from both reviewers and everyday users for its smooth experience. So what does the new ColorOS 16 bring to the table? Fluidity remains a top priority thanks to the new Aurora engine, the upgraded Tidal engine, and the Fanzing compiler. Animations feel buttery smooth not just on the home screen, but also in features like small window multitasking. The optimization even extends to 7 major third-party apps, including Xiaohongshu, iQIYI, and Xianyu, for a seamless experience across the board. AI features also get a major upgrade. Xiaobu memory now saves time for anyone who doesn't want to sit through long videos. By tapping the AI flash button, Xiaobu scans visuals, audio, and subtitles, then automatically generates a time-stamped chapter summary. It's incredibly handy. Waiting for a takeaway order? Press the AI flash button on the pickup code screen, and the code pops into the floating cloud view, so you never scramble through apps again. Xiaobu Assistant supports smarter real-world conversations. With large model intelligence behind it, you can point your phone at attractions or popular spots and ask questions right on the spot. You get instant answers without any confusion, even in crowded places, thanks to improved voice recognition that filters out background noise. ColorOS 16 keeps the same core structure but introduces a fresh visual update. The new lock screen and icons feature a refined light field design that brings subtle gradients and a dreamy blurred glow. Fans will be happy to see the panoramic immersive lock screen finally arrive too. Overall, OPPO Find X9 Pro marks a full-scale upgrade. It keeps the strong design, performance, fresh, and user experience from its predecessor, while delivering huge improvements to the camera system. It genuinely reaches the level of ultra-tier imaging with impressive hardware and software working together. If you're searching for a top-tier camera flagship in the second half of the year, the Find X9 Pro absolutely deserves a spot on your list. Pricing for the Find X9 Pro starts at 52.99 Chinese yuan, which converts to around £559 in the UK or about $745 in the US. I'll be sharing a full camera test and comparisons against other flagship phones soon, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech family. Catch you in the next video.